Good morning students, welcome to your science class. I am your science teacher. My name is Rupali Rajawat and today we will continue this chapter number 8, surrounding affect the living. More than half chapter we have already completed, only some topics are left. We will start from the page number 126, red eye frog. One or two line I already explained during your live class. Now today we will again understand that what is red frog. Red frog is a kind of frog, it is already identified from the name that the red frog having a red eye and they are found on the tree. Mostly the frogs are found on the land or in the water, but this is another variety of a frog which mostly found on the tree on the leaves. Okay, they are having a webbed feet and this feet was very much sticky, which helped them to climb from one tree to another tree or one branch to another branch. Okay, these are the kind of nocturnal animal which is very much active, which is inactive at the daytime but active at a night time. Nocturnal animal are the animal which is active at night time. So red eye frog is also the nocturnal animal and this is very much active during the night time. Okay, now whenever predator come near the sleeping red eye frog, it pop open in large eye which frighten the predator for a while, and by then the frog get time to jump and safer place. When the predator means when the enemy animal come near to the red eye frog to hunt them, at that time his red eye just open and the predator get afraid from the frog and the frog have a time to climb on the another tree. Means जब कोई भी predator आपका red eye frog के पास आता है, at that time his eyes was open, his eyes is open, उसकी eyes open हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से वो predator थोड़े टाइम के लिए डर जाता है, because the color of the frog of a red eye frog is red and जैसे वो थोड़े टाइम के लिए डर जाता है, इतने में उस red eye frog को टाइम मिल जाता है, वो दूसरे पेड़ पे क्लाइंब कर जाता है. ओके, so in this way the red eye frog to save us from the predator. Now lizard and snake. I already told you both the lizard and the snake both are the cold-blooded animal, and this is a great variety of there is a great variety of lizard and the snake are found in a tropical region. Now green lizard and the green snake live safely on a green surrounding. Means this is another variety of lizard and another variety of snake which are easily living on the green surrounding, which are easily living in the forest, जो easily forest में रह सकते हैं because of its green color. Now adaptation in lion, tiger and other hunting animal. We already studied the adaptation in herbivorous animal. Now today we will study the adaptation in a carnivorous animal. Means the lion, tiger, jaguar, cheetah, आपके leopard, these are the kind of animal which are counted as a carnivorous animal which eat only the flesh of other animal. Beta, what kind of adaptive feature they are having? They are having a very sharp claw. They are having a very good speed of running, due to which they are easily hunt their animal. These are the adaptive features of carnivorous animal. Okay, they are having a strong digestive system, due to which they can easily digest the flesh of another animal. And like now some adaptive feature are given in your book, which one by one we discuss. The first one is the brown fur of a lion. Means you have seen the hair of a lion which is surrounded on its face. आपने lion के face के चारों तरफ hairs देखे होंगे. The hairs are known as the fur of a lion. The brown fur of a lion, yellow brown color with black strip of a tiger, spotted body of a other animal. These animals help in camouflage. Means that fur of the lion, the strip on the tiger are help to do the function or to do the process which is known as a camouflage. Camouflage I already explained. Now highly developed sense of smell. These are the kind of animal which are having the very good sense of smell. Means वो बहुत ही दूर से easily they are sense that some animal are there, and after sensing they just prepare themselves for hunting and they just hide themselves beside the tree or beside the आपकी bushes के पीछे वो अपने आप को hide कर लेते हैं. And after that when the animal are come near to the lion or to the tiger, and at that time lion and tiger are ready for attack and just hunt that animal. Okay, so this is also the adaptive feature which is present in carnivorous animal. After that, with their agile body, agile means furtili, the The Hindi meaning of agile means furtili. Better. These are the animal due to better because हैवी वेट होने की वजह से भी हैवी वेट होते हुए भी दे आर वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल एंड दे आर वेरी एजाइल मीन्स फुर्तीले एंड दे आर वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल. ठीक है, फ्लेक्सिबल इन नेचर एंड दे कैन रन वेरी फास्ट एंड विथ वेरी गुड स्पीड एंड विच हेल्प देम टू हंट एनी काइंड ऑफ एनिमल. आफ्टर दैट their strong limbs and the sharp claw help to tear the animal. Better, they are having the very strong limbs and very sharp claws which help them to tear their food or which help them to just hunt the another animal. After that, they have a pointed sharp canines to tear the flesh of the prey. Tear the canines means the front teeth. The front teeth of these kind of animal are very sharp, which help them to tear any kind of other animals. Okay, now arboreal animal. What is arboreal animal? Arboreal animal is a kind of animal which spend most of the time on the tree, just like monkey, just like gorilla. These are the kind of animal which spend most of the time on the tree. That animal are known as a arboreal animal. हमने पढ़ा था herbivorous animal are the kind of animal which only depend on plant for their food. Carnivorous animal is a kind of animal which depend on flesh of the other food. Now these are the arboreal which spend or the animal which spend most of the time on the tree. That animal are known as a arboreal animal. ठीक है. Now like आपका bird हो गया, squirrel हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो land पर नहीं आएंगे, but they are just most of the time they are sitting on a plant or spend most of the time on the tree. That's why they are known as a arboreal animal. Okay, so they have a sharp claw. The claws of the arboreal animal are also very sharp to clasp the prey, which help them to hunt any kind of prey as a food. Okay, and these are having the type of claw which easily can hold the branches of a tree. उनके claws कैसे होते हैं? Which help them to easily hold the branches of a tree. Okay, now adaptation in arboreal animal. What kind of adaptation arboreal animal having? First of all, they are having the very sharp and kind of claws which help them to hunt the prey, or which also help them to just hold the branches of a tree. Otherwise, they just fall down from the tree. But the claws are having very much good quality of claw. They are having a very much better quality of claws they are having, which help them to just stick on the branches of a tree. Okay, now monkey has a grey brown fur covering its body except for its face, palm and soles. Means the monkey are having the brown color of fur on whole body except the face. ठीक है, on the face of the monkey there is no any kind of fur is there, only from the surrounding body of only for the whole body of a monkey the brown color of hairs are present. This is also the adaptive features of a arboreal animal. Now it also uses its long tail as an additional arm, is therefore termed as a prehensile tail. Means the monkey and the gorilla, chimpanzee, they are having a long tail which is known as a prehensile tail, which is used by the monkey as an arm to move from one place to another place. Means except hand, the monkey are also uses their tail to move from one place to another place, or to move from one tree to another tree, or to move from one branch to another branch. ठीक है, तो वो अपनी टेल को कैसे यूज करते हैं? एज अ आर्म, जैसे हम अपना आर्म यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ लॉयन टेल्ड मैक्यू. लॉयन टेल्ड मैक्यू इज अ वेराइटी ऑफ मंकी. लॉयन से बेटा ये लॉयन नहीं हो जाएगा. दिस इज अ अनदर काइंड ऑफ वेराइटी ऑफ मंकी विच इज मोस्टली फाउंड ऑन वेस्टर्न घाट. कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? वेस्टर्न घाट पे. ओके, नाउ वेयर द tropical rainforest is there. Tropical rainforest means dense forest होता है. From that places a lion-tailed macaque are the variety of monkey which is mostly found in the tropical rainforest, means the dense forest. Okay, now it has a hairless face, means there is no any kind, there is no kind of hair on, there is no hair on their face on the lion-tailed monkey. Now body covered with the black fur. Mostly the monkey are having the brown color hair, but the lion-tailed macaque is a kind of variety which are having the black fur. Which are having the black fur on their body and on their tail. After that, its outstanding feature is that silver white means surrounding its face from head down on the chin. Means the silver color is there on its face. This is the adaptive feature of a lion-tailed macaque. After that, it is also called the beard ape. This monkey is also known as a beard ape because they are having so much hair on the chin side, on the beard side. After that, now toucan. Toucan is a kind of bird which possesses a long and strong colorful beak. Toucan is a kind of bird. The adaptive feature of this toucan bird is that it is having a very long beak and very colorful beak. After that, while sitting on a strong branch of a tree, it can reach to the fruit, to the high and tender branches using its long and strong beak. Means the adaptive feature of this toucan bird is that they are having the very long beak which is very colorful, and they can easily just tear the they easily just pluck the fruit. Okay? Now desert, the hot and dry region. Beta, desert, hot and dry region. Desert is a place where the scarcity of water is that, and the soil of the desert is a sandy soil, which we have already learned in the previous chapter. Sandy soil is a kind of soil which does not have a capability to hold the water. So desert area are having a very much dry and very much hot climate. There are only some animal, there are only some plant which are able to live in a desert, or which are able, or the plant which are able to grow in a desert, because the desert does not have any kind of water. Desert soil does not have any kind of moisture. So the plant which are easily grow in the desert area are the cactus plant. Cactus plant हो गया, because the cactus plant is a kind of plant which does not require the large amount of water. The plants and the animal which are living in the desert area, they just not require the large amount of water. Okay, and the animal which are live in the desert area, they are known as the nocturnal animal because they just active at night, because the temperature in the desert was very much low at the night time and become very much high at the daytime. So due to which the animal living in the desert are mostly the nocturnal animal which are very much active in a night time. Okay, now adaptation in, one more word is there, estivation. What is estivation? The habit of the animal to pass a hot period of a day hiding place to save themselves. Estivation is a word, or estivation meaning is that when most of the animal in the desert area hiding themselves in the daytime and active become at night time, this whole process is known as a estivation. When the animal protecting themselves from the hot weather in the daytime and just become active at a night time, that process is known as a estivation. Now everyone knows that the camel is a kind of animal which is found in the desert area, and the camel is also known as a ship of a desert, because the adaptive features of camel are there. Camel is there. The camel are able to hold the large amount of water and to hold the large amount of food in their hump, and they can store the large amount of food, so they can easily survive for a long time without any food or without any water. The camel legs are very much long, which help them to move in a sand. Basically, we are not able to move in a sand because the sand is very hot. The camel having a padded feet which help to protect us from the hot sand, and because of the long feet, they are easily capable to move in a sand and they just not slip on the sand. Okay, these are the adaptive features which are present in a camel. Okay, now your camel eyelid are the three layer to protect the eye from the dust and sand. बेटा, the eyelid of a camel means eyelashes. जैसे आपके आंखों के ऊपर eyelashes है, just like that camel also having a kind of eyelid which protect them from the sunlight. उसके eyelashes और eyelids इतनी ज़्यादा लॉन्ग होती है, they easily protect their eyes from the very much sunlight. Okay, now this chapter is over here. If you are having any kind of doubt, then you will allow to ask during your live classes. Okay, now the last line is that camel can bear the heat and high temperature ranging up to 45 degrees Celsius. But basically we are not able to handle 45 degrees Celsius temperature, but the camel having the adaptive feature due to which they are easily handle the temperature of 45 degree Celsius. Okay, now your class is over here, your chapter is finished. Okay, so you have to watch this video very carefully. If you are having any doubt, then you will allow to ask to me on Thursday during your live class. Okay, thank you everyone.